back. So today I am going to be doing an H&M haul. I haven't shopped on the H&M website before, so this is the first time that I have done this. I feel like this is like the most online shopping I've ever done because normally I'm more of like an in-store shopper because I don't know if the sizes are going to fit. So I kind of took a chance and we'll see how it goes. Common question of the day is, what is your favorite Netflix show? I'm curious to see what everything looks like. I don't know how they fit everything in here, but they did. So let's see what's in here. And then I'm also gonna try it on, so I'll have a clip of me trying these things on. Okay, so first up, we have a skirt. So I don't own very many like long or midi skirts, but I love the look of them, so I wanted to try them out. So we'll see how this one goes. But I thought this color, it looks like, I don't know if it'll be see-through or not, but I thought this color would be nice because it goes with a lot. So yeah, I like the material. It looks pretty similar to what it did online, which is good because sometimes it can look a little different. But yeah, so this is the skirt. Next we have, I tried to go for more like basic things in this haul, like more kind of things that will go with a lot of different outfits. So like a skirt that goes with a lot of different tops that I already own. And then I have this top. So this is like a white top. It's like a sweater knit kind of thing. Yeah, okay. So I thought this would look cute with either the skirt or like jeans or something. It's just something that'll like go with a lot of different outfits, and yeah, I'm excited to try it on. The prices are not on here, but I'll have them listed below. But this is the white shirt that I will try on. Next we have, I feel like I ordered a lot of like white things because I'm seeing a lot of white things in this bag, but let's see what's next. So next we have, okay, I remember what this is. This is a blouse. See, I ordered like a lot of things that are like the same kind of colors that will go with a lot. This is the theme of this video. Okay, so this is just like a white blouse that will look cute with like a pair of leggings or a pair of jeans. Yeah, so these are just kind of like basics that'll style with a lot of different things. You can layer like jewelry on it or wear it with like a skirt or something. There's a lot of different ways this top could work, so I'm excited to try that on. Okay, another white item. I feel like this is like the theme, white tops of this video. Okay, so this is a tank top. So I wanted to get like a white tank top because this will be nice for like spring, summer. You can style it with like either the skirt or some joggers or jeans under a hoodie or under not a hoodie, a sweater or something. So this sweater I am looking forward to trying on. Sweater tank top. Okay, it's still early, so that's why I'm kind of a little bit of a mess here. Okay, next we have a t-shirt. So I thought this would be, the material is a little bit different than I thought it would be, but it's kind of just like a plain t-shirt material. But it's like this Disney pink shirt, and I just thought it'd be like a comfortable t-shirt. You can style it with some jeans, you can style it with some leggings, just like a basic t-shirt because I find they're just like, they're easy outfits, they're comfortable in the springtime, so that is the t-shirt. Next, okay, I kind of took a chance with this next item. So I don't own any yellow sweaters. I don't know if yellow is really my color, but I always love like the look of yellow things. And when I see them online, they really pop. And so I'm like, I really wanted to give this a chance. So I ordered a pink sweater, a pink knit sweater. I ordered a pink sweater, a pink knit sweater. I was trying to get away from like knit sweaters and stuff because I feel like I already own so many, but this sweater was just kind of calling me my name on the website. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. And it's very bright, so I am excited to try it on. I think it'll look nice with this skirt. I might try it on with a skirt, but like a pair of jeans or something would look nice. But I think it would be better for like those super chilly days because it's a very thick sweater. Like I don't think I was expecting it to be as heavy as it is, but it's pretty heavy. Okay, so I think I have one more thing to show you guys. So, yes, down to the last item. So this I saw, and I have always wanted like just kind of a basic trench coat because I feel like you can do a lot of different outfits with them and they always look cute, especially in the spring. They're kind of just like a spring vibe. So this is the trench coat. Okay, so as opposed to this is like super light. So I wasn't expecting this to be quite so light, but it is just a basic trench coat. I feel like it's more of like, I don't know, like a sweater. Like it's not like a sweater material, but more of like an overcoat that you would wear over an outfit, like not necessarily to go outside, but just to style because it's so light. Like this is not gonna keep you warm in the springtime, but it might look nice with outfits. I don't know. I'm curious to see what it'll look like. But yeah, so that's everything. So that was my H&M haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.